at... Okay. I need to calm down. These are too gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm reviewing for you two products from Dominique Cosmetics. These are skin glosses. I've got the shade Sunset Glow and Glossed Peach. So one of you recommended these glosses to me after watching my top highlighter video. If you haven't seen it, I will link it at the top, so do check it out. And after that video, you would have seen that I loved the Becca Skin Glaze because it gives that glossy look to the skin. And so one of you recommended I try these out. Tasha, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for this recommendation. These are fantastic products. I have really enjoyed wearing these and I want to share my thoughts with you today. I did pick up two of these shades so I can show you what they look like on my cheek so you can better make a decision on which shade you wanted to pick up. By the way, the packaging of these are okay. They have this gray look to the front, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but they are quite sturdy. They have a pretty heavy mirror. The mirror is really nice. And the back is what I really love. You can actually see the products. I mean, just check it out. So this is Glossed Peach and this is Sunset Glow. It's got this swirl of color and shimmer in the back. Oh, it's so pretty. I almost store them like this so that when I open my drawer, I can actually see this first. So let's start off with what are these? These are like cream highlighters. They give a little bit of a glow to the cheek. Apart from the shimmer, you get that little bit of skin gloss. So also you can kind of control the pigmentation with these skin glosses. You can apply them super sheer or you can build up that intensity. Another great thing about this is when you pop this on the cheek, it doesn't lift any makeup, which is fantastic. I have worn these now for several days over different foundations and I've powdered my cheeks and applied this on top and it didn't remove any product. Amazing. Now let me just swatch both of these on my hand for you so you can see what they look like, and then I'll pop them on my cheek so you can see what they look like on my cheek as well. Look-yo, that's my cat meowing. Honey? No. Come here. Come here. Now there is a color difference between the two. Oh, is that my cat at the back? Look-yo. Come here. What you doing? Come. You're so dirty. You've been outside. Oh my god, look at this huge cat. Oh my god, he's so big and heavy. Oh. Hey boy, you want to say hi? You want to say hi? Look how massive he is. Oh. And he's been meowing and meowing. He wants to go outside and I close the door. You've been out the whole day. The whole day. Oh my god, he's so fluffy. Oh, just look at that adorable little thing. Oh. Okay, what was I talking about again? Right, skin glosses. I get so distracted by my cats. Honestly, they bring me so much joy. If you have cats, let me know in the comment below. He is gorgeous. He really is gorgeous. Anyways, let's get back to these glosses. So there is a color difference between the two. Now Glossed Peach has, of course, peach tones. You can see that, but it's very golden. If you love your golden highlighters, I know I do, it's a beautiful shimmery golden. It's really stunning. And then you've got Sunset Glow, which honestly, this is a better version of Nars Orgasm and more brown skin friendly. Some of you might hate me for that because Nars Orgasm has a bit of a cult following, but that's one blush from Nars that really never worked for me. I didn't like it on my skin. It was too shimmery and it just didn't look good on me. But Sunset Glow from DC Cosmetics, it has that pinky gold hue that just looks really stunning on the cheek, and it reminds me of Nars Orgasm but in a much better way, done so well, and it works on me. It looks great. And Tasha, who also has brown skin, has this shade and she loves this shade to death. She uses this all the time, so yes, it's been vetted. So first thing I'm going to do is put glossed peach on this side. I don't take too much because they actually have a lot of payoff. Because you really don't need a lot. Boom. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So you can see how golden this shade is. And honestly, on my skin, this looks more golden than peach. Just going to... And it's so easy to tap. So on my skin, of course, I have got powder, I have got foundation, bronzer, blush, and it hasn't lifted any of that. It just sits right on top. It's really easy to blend with the finger, and that's really my favorite application with these. You want to use your fingers. I don't even bother with a brush. The fingers are fantastic. And this is it, guys. I don't think I would use any more than this. It's so pretty, but why not? Let's just use a little bit more. So I'm going to go back in and just look at that. Oh my god. Yes. Thank you, Tasha, so much for recommending this product. Honestly, this is so beautiful. I mean, look at that glow. Wow. Okay, next up, I am going to use Sunset Glow. Apart from the color, the difference between the two shades is the amount of shimmer that you get. If you're someone who loves really, really fine shimmer, like very natural looking highlighters, you want to go with Glossed Peach. Because Glossed Peach has very fine shimmer. It looks really beautifully natural on the skin. Now, Sunset Glow has some impact. Sunset Glow has more shimmer. Ooh, check that out. So can you see that color difference? Like this one has golden as well, but it also has that pinky reddish undertone. And surprisingly, this works really well on my skin tone. I initially thought that this color was going to be too red, like too dark for my skin, but it just looks really beautiful. Check that out. How gorgeous is that? And I can see little specks of shimmer with this highlighter. So if you don't want to see specks of shimmer, get Glossed Peach. Glossed Peach doesn't have that. Sunset Glow has specks of shimmer. I love both of them. Okay, I'm just gonna go add a little bit more. And yep, it's not lifting or disturbing my makeup at all. I can blend it in very easily with my finger. And this is Sunset Glow. And again, the color is not too intense, so it's not like you're going to see this reddish streak on you. You're not going to see that. It is subtle, and that's what you want in a highlighter. You don't really want to see strong color payoff, because then it's just not going to look natural on the skin. Yep, I'm definitely getting that Nars glow vibes. Like I don't think you can see that much color on camera, but in person, when I'm looking in my mirror, I can definitely see that tint of red. It's just a very small tinge of red that I can see on my cheek, and it's really beautiful. I think if you're darker than me, this Sunset Glow is going to look amazing on you, especially if you have a little bit more of the redder caramel undertone. This is gonna look beautiful on you. You've got to check it out. And of course, if you're anywhere close to my skin tone, both of these shades will work on you. I haven't had any issues with both of these shades. They both look good on me. So pretty. This one is Glossed Peach. So pretty. It has definitely that really golden highlight. It's so stunning. And then this side you have the Sunset Glow. I think at this angle you can see it has a little bit of warmth, a little bit of that reddish hue. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna say that the Sunset Glow is more unique. I have a lot of highlighters with a golden hue, but this sort of reddish tinge is, I don't think I have. So I particularly love this shade. And this is what Sunset Glow looks like. Okay, so I've just clipped my hair back so it stops coming in the way when I'm trying to show you these highlighters. I should have done that in the beginning of the video. But anyways, I think these are really gorgeous. I am so happy to have them, and if I could redo my top favorite highlighters video, I would include these in there. They are so stunning. God, look at that. Okay. I need to calm down. These are too gorgeous. Okay, so if you're trying to decide which shade to get, it really depends on your personal preference. I love both of these. They both look good on me. I'm gonna say Sunset Glow is a little bit more unique, and I really love it, but it does have detectable shimmer. You will see little bits of sparkle on your cheek. If that doesn't bother you, I think this is amazing. Now, if you're someone who's looking for something that's really natural, you don't want to see detectable shimmer on your face, then go with Glossed Peach. It has a beautiful golden shine to the cheek, and you don't really see the shimmer particles. Love these, highly recommend. By the way, these do come in other shades that I didn't pick up. I believe there are a couple of lighter shades, I'm not too sure, but I think for my skin tone, these two are a perfect match. So by the way, every single time one of you guys subscribes to my channel, you know what happens? I get a notification on my phone to say your channel name has subscribed to your channel, and I get so happy. It instantly puts a smile on my face because I'm putting a ton of effort in my channel, and seeing you guys subscribe just, whew, it makes my day. But what I'm gonna ask of you is that if you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, because the minute you do, I will get a notification to say you have subscribed, and you're going to make me smile. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!